Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on BlueWillow AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bluewillow.ai and press enter. You will then be taken into the official BlueWillow website. Now from this page, click on Try Now for free at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login page. Just use your email address and your password or your social media accounts to log in to your account, and now you will end up within the dashboard. Now from the dashboard, if you wish to change your profile picture, go ahead and click on My Page at the bottom left corner. Now from the My Page menu, you will find the Edit Page option. Click on Edit Page and now you can edit all of your information. Within this personal information page, you will also find your profile picture. Go ahead and click on the camera icon at the center and you will be able to upload your avatar image. Just choose your image from your computer and it will automatically be uploaded and saved as your new profile picture. You can change your profile picture many times as you want and then click on the Save button to save your personal information and the changes that you make to your profile. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your profile picture on the BlueWillow AI website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.